Ooh. What is this? Uh-oh, I better stay out of those. Hello everybody, how's it going? It's been a while since we've done a video. A vlog, that is. I've done an unboxing video, which those are only exciting for the people who are interested in whatever I'm unboxing. I understand that. But our channel's just a smorgasbord of a little bit of everything. We got unboxings, we got vlogs, we got funny videos. I'm not doing any of that niche stuff. We're gonna do whatever's fun. Anyway, I figured it's been a quick while since we've done a vlog, so I busted out the camera. We're doing it on the good camera today. We're doing it on the X-T3. And hopefully the audio is recording because I've got a little fuzzy microphone on top now, which I'm kind of excited to have. Hopefully the audio sounds a little bit better. Anyway, probably don't care about that. I'm just rambling. Today is cool. It's gonna be a cool day because in about about an hour and a half, we're gonna have F-35s flying over our house. So Hill Air Force Base up in northern Utah, their F-35 squadron or whatever is doing like a salute to Utah or to like all the medical workers and stuff working through this COVID-19 pandemic. And they're doing a full loop around the whole state of Utah. And they sent out a map with the times to go outside and watch them. So hopefully, I'm really hoping I can capture some footage of them for this vlog. What in the world is going on in here? Give me the remote. Off.
No.
Hello?
Not off.
Not off? Excuse me?
It's paused.
What were you watching, Aiden?
Pokemon.
Pokemon?
No, we're watching Hello Ninja.
Hello Ninja? Oh, Hello Ninja, it's not Pokemon.
Good morning.
Good morning, it's almost lunchtime. Daddy needs to go for a run. What
No.
have you been doing? You already done with all your schoolwork?
Yeah.
Yeah, how about you, Liam?
I'm done with my schoolwork.
Already? You got it all done, huh? Well, that's good. You guys being good boys?
Good boys.
Yeah, you being a good boy, Aiden?
Can we watch this show now?
You really want to watch your show, don't you?
Can we keep putting our show now?
No.
Please.
No.
Hello. I am learning how to conduct a curriculum-based therapy for students with language impairment.
Are you working hard or hardly working?
Depends on who's asking. But my picture's coming out quite nicely. Listening to the videos and coloring.
I'll leave you alone. I'm going to go for a run.
Yeah, I am working.
So I got to go for a run now. I run 3 times a week. I'm doing 5K training. So hopefully, let's see, I'm on week 6. So like 2 or 3 more weeks and I should be able to run a full 5K, hopefully. I'm gonna go do that. And then as soon as my bike is out of the shop, I'm gonna start going on bike rides, either after work on the days that I don't work evenings or during lunch. I haven't quite decided yet when I'm gonna do those. I thought I hit a button. And I have ordered some mounts for my bicycle so that I can put my little Osmo Pocket on my bicycle while I'm riding, so I can do either like a time lapse or a video of my bike ride. So and hopefully it's not too jostly. I have a feeling it might not work out, but we're gonna try it. So when my bike is back here and I've got all my mounts set up, I'm bringing you guys along for some bike rides. Are you grumpy?
Yes, they're grumpy because Mom keeps on telling them that she's changing their name.
Oh, did Mommy change your name? Aiden Breakfast Burrito?
I think she's not actually. I'm taking it. Maybe she's just messing up.
No.
Messing with that.
No, Liam. Peanut butter sandwich crepe.
No. My name is not that.
I'm outside now, waiting for the airplanes. They should, if I figure, should be somewhere over here. All the commercial airlines fly right over our house here. I'm heading that way to Salt Lake. So, when it gets close to time, I will flip this camera back on. Hopefully we can get some sweet footage of some F-35s. Aiden, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna watch?
So
A show? Liam, what are we gonna watch out here?
We're gonna watch the airplanes.
Yeah, what kind of airplanes?
Are they like jets or something?
Jets, yeah. Should be pretty cool.
I'm gonna eat on soon.
Are you excited, Mama? We got our own watch party going on in the middle of the backyard.
Got a breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito. Peanut butter sandwich over here.
Let's have a chip.
And chips. He's a chip monster. And an Aiden. You excited, Aiden? Hopefully we can see him from here, huh? If not, it'll be a bust. Patiently waiting. They should be hitting Salt Lake right about now, which means we should be seeing them any minute now. I kind of want to leave this rolling until we see them, just so I don't miss anything. I'm just sitting in the back of the yard. So they're going to come along this way, along I-15, wrap around the south end of the little Salt Lake Valley here, and come back up around this way. I'm making the loop farther out going south, according to the map. Oh, they're there. There they are. And behind the trees. What do you think of those airplanes?
So cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
You think it's neat?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Oh,
Yeah,
Aiden wants to say something. Did you see the airplanes?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
Mom's gonna get me a drink.
Okay, Mom's gonna get you a drink. Sounds good. It's about 3:30. It's time for a break. Tired of working. It's actually slowed down this afternoon, which is always good. Let's go see what the family's up to. Also, it's kind of dark. Also, I realize this isn't the best camera for vlogging. It's not very stable. I was watching some of the footage and it's like, sorry. Hello? Hello? Jeff? Lenny? Uncle Frank, is this a joke? My family must be outside. Thumbs up if you got that Home Alone reference. Let's go see what they're doing. Aiden. What are you doing?
I'm blowing bubbles.
Oh, you're blowing bubbles. Are you playing with your pirate ship? What are you doing, Mama? Printing stuff on my printer, I saw.
I'm doing a test. That would be a lot easier if I wasn't doing it on my phone.
And Liam is playing
With Ruffer.
with Ruffer.
Say hello, Ruffer. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof, woof.
You guys just been chilling outside, huh?
Yeah.
Been having a good day?
Yeah.
See what I mean by airplanes over our house all the time? All the time.
Whoa. Like, we've seen a lot of airplanes today.
Yeah, we have.
They're cute. Again.
No.
Please.
You can do it yourself. See how fast you can go. See, you don't even need me to push you because you can do it by yourself.
I know. You just push me faster. My legs get tired.
Oh, my legs get tired too. Status update. I'm on the couch. Uh-oh, here we go. Playing Animal Crossing. And Lee Aiden, he's watching something. Anyway, got important things to do, right? I'm done for the day. I don't want to adult anymore. Well, look who decided to come home.
I went shopping by myself and I wasn't going to come home. Oh, the aloneness. It was beautiful. It was glorious.
You like being alone, huh?
It was nice. I have been...
Now you know why I've made myself the designated shopper of the family.
You're just mean.
I'm the worst. All right.
Worst ever.
I'm cooking dinner. Let's go check. Aiden, are you ready for dinner?
No.
No. Also, sir, where are your clothes? Aiden Douglas.
He has decided to join a nudist commune.
Are you going to be a nudist?
No.
Okay. We're having hamburgers again.
Yep.
Oh, but there's Dad's because I already squished them.
Fine.
Liam.
Thank you.
And one for Aiden.
Potato
And
chips.
I think this one's for me. Oh, Mom, do you want one?
Sure.
Okay.
How do you want, Liam?
I want that.
We're going to eat now. If you haven't eaten, you should go eat. That'd be a great idea. Okay, bye.
Here.
All right, Aiden said he wants to show everybody how he can eat like a big boy. Okay, you show us. Good job. You made that look a lot easier. How's that hamburger? Maybe you could show us one more? Aiden, what do you think? You want to show us one more?
Okay, bring your fork. Without losing an eye.
I already got stabbed once. All right.
There.
Did it even make it in your mouth? Now he's just giggling. And you just flung. Look at that. There's meat. There's meat right there.
Hey!
I don't know where that went. There's meat right there. Oh, and it's all over the floor. And he's lost it. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Aiden has officially lost it. He will begin choking on his food in about 2 seconds.
Dun, dun, dun.
I hate because you guys are mucking on my floor. This is why I don't clean the house. You people.
Don't do my chips like that. Don't do my chips like that.
So I was gonna put, maybe I'll put the loofahs right there. As soon as my tall person.
There's no way I can get that.
Really?
It's underneath the trailer.
It's underneath the trailer?
Yeah.
Can I stand on the trailer?
No.
The tall person has informed me that he's not able to get my gate. So maybe I've got some
I can try. I'll have to move the car.
Your gate. Oh, the loofahs.
Uh-huh.
All right. Amy needs something in the garage. And I guess I will be nice and try to get it for her. But what she needs is that. The problem is our camper is right here. So I have to move the car and see if I can get it by putting a ladder up there. I don't know if I can do it. This seems dangerous. I am not wearing the proper footwear for this occasion. Amy! Amy!
You were a good person. That is all I'll ask you for the next.
That was the worst. Hello, family.
No.
Hello, darling.
No what, Aiden?
We're gonna go to bed.
You're gonna go to bed. Says who?
Says Aiden.
Says Aiden.
Mom. It's almost bedtime.
It's almost bedtime. What are we doing? We're watching Daniel Tiger. Hey, Liam, show us your new jammies.
It's Pokemon pajamas.
Pokemon pajamas. Well, that's neat.
Yeah.
Here, watch out. Let's see Aiden's new jammies. Aiden, what kind of jammies do you have?
Star Wars.
Star Wars jammies. Do you like Star Wars?
Yeah. Turn the TV.
You want me to turn the volume up, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, I will on one condition. You have to say good night.
Good night. Good night.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Alligator.
And that's going to do it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, as always, leave them down below, including Hulk Juice comments. Those seem to be the most common.
Bye.
We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.